JHD mobile app. In this video, we will give you an overview of the JHD mobile application and its various functionalities. First, let us look at login and attendance feature. To begin with, download the JHD app from Jio Hub and AirWatch. Tap on Allow for granting permissions to the app. Next, enter the login credentials and tap on Submit to proceed. Now, to mark your attendance, toggle the Duty tab to the right. Next, tap on OK to mark your attendance. A pop-up will appear informing you that the attendance has been marked successfully. Here, tap on OK to proceed. Now, let us learn about the Auto-Allocation feature. After logging in, the executive's mobile screen will automatically buzz with leads as per his location. The executive needs to accept the leads in 3 minutes time. Note, if you don't accept within the 3-minute time frame, the lead will move to the open pool and you can pull the leads from Get More Orders. The accepted leads will line up in the pending list. Now, let's see how to pull orders in case you miss the 3 minutes time frame. First, tap on the ladder icon and then select the Get More Orders from the navigation bar. Next, select Region and tap on Submit. All the pulled orders from the respective region will appear on the screen. Next, we will see how to filter and accept pulled orders. Tap on Order ID drop-down and select the filter option to search for your order via Order ID or order address. Then tap on Accept. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on OK. The order status will be displayed on the screen. Tap on OK. Now we will see how to accept or reject orders via notification. To do so, tap on the Pending Order Delivery notification and tap on Accept. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on OK. The order status will be displayed on the screen. Tap on OK. Here, you can view all the details of the order. In case you want to reject the order, then tap on Reject. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on OK. When you reject an order, you need to provide a reason for the same. Select the reason from the drop-down and tap on Submit. The order status will be displayed on the screen. Tap on OK. Calling the customer for accepted orders. Coming back to the first scenario, wherein we accepted the order. You can view the details of the order. If you want to contact the customer for further communication, then tap on Call icon. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on OK. Immediately, a call will be placed to the customer. Moving ahead with the next scenario, that is, how to reject an order when it has been already accepted once. To do so, tap on the Reject icon. Here, you need to provide a reason for the rejection of the order. The order status will be displayed on the screen. Tap on OK. To reschedule the order delivery, tap on Reject icon and select Reschedule as your reason. A pop-up will appear asking you to select the order delivery date and time. Once done, tap on Submit. The order status will be displayed on the screen. Tap on OK. Let's see the order completion process. On completion of the delivery, scan the details and tap on Submit. Note, the same ICC ID needs to be scanned in JHD app, which was scanned on JioPOS while generating ORN, prepaid or postpaid, along with OTP, which you need to request from the customer. The order status will be displayed on the screen. Tap on OK. Now, let's see how to view activity logs. On your dashboard, you can see the summary of your work. tap on the ladder icon and select Activity Logs. The activity logs will appear on your screen. For Direct Cell, tap on ladder icon and select Direct Cell. Next, tap on Submit to proceed. Now, let's look at About Us and Log Out feature. Tap on the ladder icon and tap on About Us. Now, the details of the app will appear on your screen. To log out from the app, tap on the ladder icon and then tap on Log Out. Tap on OK to confirm your logout. Now, let us look at Change Password process. Tap on the ladder icon. Here, you can change the password either by calling the customer care or by doing it manually. Let us see the change password process by tapping on Call Customer Care. Tap on OK to proceed and your call will connect to customer care. Now, let us look at the second option by tapping on Change Password. Enter the old password and then new password. Thereafter, re-enter the new password to confirm it and tap on Submit to proceed. In this video, we have got an overview of the JHT mobile application and its various functionalities. Thank you.